There's also an electric vehicle charging zone here. So I'll show you what I've ordered. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing safe and sound, and welcome to another vlog. I am at Jaipur Marriot right now. I just checked in the hotel a while ago. It's almost 12:30 a.m. and here I am vlogging. So just like my previous vlogs, I'm going to show you all how the hotel looks like, the room tour, and also what I'm gonna order in my room now. It's 12:30 and I'm really hungry. So let's see. So I'll quickly take you all to the hotel, how the entrance and everything looks like. So this is the entrance of the hotel. So this is how the lobby looks like. Very much grand. That's where you check in. We just checked in a while ago. This is some sort of a cafeteria. So usually there are cookies in here, and their cookies are really amazing. It's a small cafeteria. So I'm not sure if you can see clearly, but this is the pool area here. And this is one of the best pool areas I've seen. Let's see if we can enter there. No, it's closed, I think. This is where they have their buffet. The hotel's name is Okra. This is where they usually have their buffets. So this is the lift area, guys. So my room number is 242. That's gonna be my room, 242. It's my laundry that I've given. So I'll quickly give you a room tour. As soon as you enter the room, you put this card. This is the space where you can keep your bag. This fancy looking mirror. That's the washroom. I'll show you all this later. This is the room. So that's the bed. So the food that I had ordered has already arrived. They brought it a while ago. I'll show you all later what have I got. So this is my balcony. I'll show you all what the view is like. That's the view. Actually, it's too dark outside, so I don't think you can see anything. This is pretty much my view. So this is the room. It's a big TV inside. These water bottles, and what other amenities you get with the room are different kinds of teas, black tea, some Assam tea, just milk, sugar free, some coffee. So there's a telephone too through which you can get the hotel services. There's also a cupboard here. These are the hotel room slippers that I'm wearing. This is another cupboard with a locker. I'll quickly show you all the bathroom. This is my bathroom. Looks very grand. So this is my bathroom, guys. The tap, the you know what, the pot. This is the shower area. So this is the hand shower. This is the normal shower. This is the shampoo, conditioner, body wash. These three things you get in the bathroom. Along with these, so these glasses, I think they are meant to keep your toothbrush, a soap. So what other amenities you get in the bathroom? So there's a comb in here, a vanity kit. I don't know what is inside this. A shower cap, shaving kit, a dental kit as well, and this is my favorite. That's a mouthwash. So you also get a hair dryer in the bathroom. And this is the bottom, the main highlight of the bathroom, I feel. And in the first look itself, the bathroom looks so amazing. Speaks luxury, I feel. So that's about it from my room, guys. Now I'll quickly finish what I've ordered. It's getting cold and it's really late now. So I'll quickly finish that and I'll see you all soon. So I'll show you what I've ordered. So that's a chicken kati roll, some fries, onions and some chutney. And this is something healthy, just so that I don't feel guilty later.
What?
That's some beetroot carrot juice that I've ordered. This is going to be my dinner for the night. So I'll quickly finish my dinner and I'll get back to you. I'll quickly get done with my dinner. I'll just review how the food is. So that's the chicken kati roll. So I'm not sure it's because I'm hungry or something, but this is really amazing. I've never had a kati roll before, but this one is good. It seems like they put some butter chicken gravy or something inside. So these are the fries. The fries have become soggy actually. It's my mistake. I think I now know why food bloggers always complain about their food getting cold. So this is the healthy thing here. That's the beetroot and the carrot juice. Healthy. I'll quickly finish my dinner and I'll get back to you all. So I just got done with my lunch, guys, and it's already 1:30 a.m. I am gonna go off to bed. Too tired. I've had a very long day actually, and I should go to bed now. So that's about it from this vlog, guys. If y'all have survived till here with me, then it really means a lot. I've tried to cover as much as I can from the room and this hotel from this vlog. If I must have missed out on something, I'll try and cover that tomorrow. About the pool, I wanted to show that right now because it really looks very pretty in the night. Honestly, one of the best pool areas that I've come across in how many ever hotels I've been till now. But nevertheless, thanks for watching. Make sure I'll hit that subscribe button and please do share this video, like this video, and make sure I'll comment down below whatever feedback you all could give me, good, bad, and what things I can improve on. So thanks for watching, guys. Until then, see you all in the next video. God bless.